Welcome back to Product Critique, where we provide the best and most honest product reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into one of the top sellers in the bedding category, the Utopia Bedding Queen Flat Sheet. If you're looking for the best queen flat sheet sold separately, look no further, because this product has earned its spot at the top. First up, let's talk about what makes this sheet stand out. The Utopia Bedding Queen Flat Sheet is crafted from brushed microfiber polyester, which offers an incredibly soft and breathable feel. Whether you're snuggling in for a restful night of sleep or lounging around on a lazy afternoon, this sheet will keep you comfortable. The smooth texture is gentle on the skin, making it a perfect option for all seasons. Another key feature is its shrink and fade resistance. We all know how frustrating it can be when sheets start to lose their color or shape after just a few washes, but with the Utopia Bedding Queen Flat Sheet, you don't have to worry about that. The microfiber material is specially processed to ensure that it retains its vibrant color and smooth texture wash after wash. The size is ideal for a queen-sized bed, measuring 90 by 102 inches, with a 2-inch hem that adds a touch of elegance and style. It's the perfect complement to any bedroom decor, enhancing the overall look and feel of the space. Plus, it's easy to care for. Simply machine wash cold on a gentle cycle, avoid bleach, and tumble dry on low heat. It's a no-fuss, hassle-free addition to your bedding essentials. One of the standout benefits of this flat sheet is its durability. The microfiber fabric is designed to last, giving you long-lasting comfort and performance. Whether you're using it every night or as an extra layer for guests, this sheet will hold up beautifully over time. If you're looking for a top-quality flat sheet that offers comfort, style, and durability, the Utopia Bedding Queen Flat Sheet is the perfect choice. With its soft brushed microfiber fabric, shrink and fade resistance, and elegant design, it's clear why this sheet has become a bestseller. So, if you want to upgrade your bedding with a sheet that checks all the boxes, make sure to grab the Utopia Bedding Queen Flat Sheet. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy sleeping!